Welcome to our channel. Today we how to request prior authorization from UnitedHealthcare, approval guide step by step clearly. To request prior authorization from UnitedHealthcare, begin by gathering all relevant patient information. Ensure you have the patient's full name, date of birth, and identification number. Next, identify the specific service or treatment that requires prior authorization. Consult the UnitedHealthcare medical policy to verify if the procedure needs authorization. Access the UnitedHealthcare provider portal for submission. If you don't have an account, register to get access. Once logged in, navigate to the prior authorization section of the portal. Select the appropriate type of authorization based on the service or procedure. Fill out the authorization request form with accurate and detailed information. Include medical necessity documentation to support your request. Attach any necessary clinical notes and diagnostic test results. Double-check all information for accuracy and completeness. Submit the request through the portal. You will receive a confirmation of your submission. Keep the confirmation for your records. Await a response from UnitedHealthcare regarding the authorization decision. This process may take several business days. If the request is approved, note the approval number for future reference. If denied, review the denial letter for specific reasons. Gather additional information if needed to support an appeal. Submit the appeal through the required channels, providing any new documentation. Follow up regularly on the status of your appeal. Maintain clear communication with the patient throughout the process. Stay informed on updates and changes to UnitedHealthcare's prior authorization policies. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the prior authorization process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.